Another long day of work ahead for Meko the working dog. But that's okay, Meko is up and ready to work. I'm gonna eat that chipmunk today. Lunch and dinner. Almost there. Almost there. Can't wait. I can't wait. I can smell that chipmunk. After what felt like the longest car ride ever to Meko, she finally made it to the island. Come here, Chippy Chippy. It's just me, Meko. I only want to talk. Woof woof. If I was a chipmunk, where would I be at? Was that the chipmunk? Guess not. I smell Chippy again. Come out of your hole, you filthy chipmunk. Woof, woof. Well, no chipmunks around. Guess I'll go find a spot to relax. So Meko found a spot to sit and relax. No chipmunks, no nothing. Meko is obviously distraught and not having it. Meko, where you at? Let's go. Come on. Where's my woo-woo? Here I am. Let's go. Woof, woof. Time to go home. I'm sleepy. I wonder if that bunny is still by my house. Meko fell asleep shortly after that last thought. Meko will be fully rested by the time she reaches home. That bunny might be in trouble.